Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video we are engraving. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video, and in today's video guys we're going to do a bit of Dremel engraving. I've got two Kawasaki Vulcan heat shields off an exhaust. These are in stainless, so we're going to do a bit of fine lining, masking out on these, and then we're going to give these a go with some engraving. I'm not an engraver by any means, but I've dabbled in it, in a little bit of it. So we're going to do some skulls on these, and we're going to do a bit of a font. We're going to put the Kawasaki Vulcan logo. I've got one stenciled out here, and we're going to do some skull artwork and the Vulcan logo on both of these exhaust heat shields. The way we're going to transfer the image across, I've got some of the tattoo, what they use for tattoo stencils. It's got like an ink that you can transfer. So we're just basically going to put that onto the stainless steel, put my cutout drawing across, and then biro on top, and that should leave the ink on the stainless steel, and then we can go in with the engraver with one of the burrs. I've got a set of burrs that I can use with the Dremel tool. This is the extension. I'm using the Dremel 4300, and this is the extension, so you can use it as a handheld and engrave like that. So we'll move on. I'll get you in a little time lapse. We'll get these images across, we'll mask out all this, and we'll pin line it. So I'm just going to pin line on an area that I'm going to engrave on. So yeah, let's get into it guys. See you in the next step. Break because my hand is absolutely killing. We've got this one done. You can see that that's picking up. We've got the Kawasaki Vulcan 900, so that's all engraved in that one. And I'm just doing this one now. This one's got skulls on it, so I'm just starting on the skulls. We've got some flames coming in here, so I'm just working away up. This takes hours upon hours guys, it really does. So I'm just going to plod on nice and slow. But that one's come out really nice. Polish up on that. So that's the Vulcan sign on. So yeah, I'll stick you another time lapse, drop some music on, and I'm just going to press on and just keep doing dots after dots after dots. So I'll see you in a bit guys. guys, we're all finished. I'll just hold these up to the camera. So you've got the Kawasaki Vulcan one, so that's all engraved in on that one, and then this one you've got some skulls, and then you've got some flame effects coming in. So you've got like skulls there going up, and then there's some random flames coming in on there. So that's both done, guys. It's took a whole day to do this, and your hand feels like it's just absolutely killing. So yeah, I wouldn't recommend it. But we've done it. I'm not an engraver, but that's come out quite nice. So I hope you've enjoyed this video on Dremel engraving. I've just used the Dremel burrs that you got with the kit. I've brought some other ones as well. I think I've got the 105, and I've got the net, I think about third size up with the ball one, which are the burrs, which is this one here. So that's the one, if that's picking that up, that's the one that I did it with, that little burr there, and that's ran through, that one burr has done both of these bits. So the Dremel burrs are really good, guys, if you are looking at burrs to get. So that's the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget, if you're new to my channel, click that subscribe, press that notification so you don't miss out on any more up and coming videos on Dred Effects Custom Paint. And I shall see you in the next paint effects video, because the blue paint's turned up, so we can get the denim one done, guys. So thanks for watching. See you in the next one.